Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Ranger manual transmission. First, always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical mishaps. Next, move inside the cab to remove the shifter assembly. Once that's done, safely lift your truck and secure it on 4 jack stands. Finally, drain the transmission fluid into a pan, preparing for the next steps underneath the vehicle. Now, working underneath, mark the drive shaft's position before removing it to ensure proper reinstallation. Proceed to disconnect all electrical connectors and any vacuum lines attached to the transmission. You'll also need to detach the hydraulic line from the clutch slave cylinder. Finally, unbolt and carefully remove the starter motor, setting it aside safely. With the components disconnected, it's time to support the transmission using a specialized jack. Once supported, remove the transmission crossmember and its associated mounts. Then, systematically unbolt all the bell housing bolts that secure the transmission to the engine. With all bolts removed, carefully lower the transmission and slide it out from under the vehicle. Before reinstalling, take this opportunity to inspect the clutch, pilot bearing, and flywheel for any signs of wear or damage. Thoroughly clean all mating surfaces to ensure a proper seal upon reassembly. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse of removal, so take your time and ensure all bolts are torqued to specification. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.